In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Wix site. Whether you're building a simple personal blog or a full-fledged business website, Wix makes it easy to create and customize pages to suit your needs. Let's dive in and walk through the straightforward process of adding a new page to your Wix site. First, you need to access the Wix website editor. This can be done by going to your browser and logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the site you wish to edit. Click on the Edit Site button and this will open up the Wix website editor interface. The editor is your workspace where you will see all the elements of your current website layout. Moving on, look to the left side of your screen in the Wix editor. Here, you'll find a vertical toolbar filled with different options for editing your site. We want to focus on the section labeled Pages and Menu. This section is crucial because it's where you manage your site structure and can add or edit the various pages that make up your website. Next, we want to click on Pages and Menu. This action will open a panel showing all existing pages on your site. This panel is very handy for providing an overview of how your site's navigation is structured currently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you're not already. It's a constant companion as you build and manage your site. To add a new page, look for the Add Menu Item button at the bottom of the Pages and Menu panel. Clicking this will give you options to either create a new page or add other menu items like links or anchors. For our purpose, we want to choose the option to create a new page. Once you select New Page, Wix will give you a variety of templates and settings you can choose from. These templates can help you get a head start on the design and layout of the page. Scroll through the options to find a style that best fits what you're looking to achieve with your new page. After selecting the appropriate template, confirm your choice. This action publishes your new page as part of your website's menu. Back in the editor, you can click on the new page's title to begin customizing it, adding text, images, and other elements to suit your website's overall design and content strategy. Once you're satisfied with the new page's content and appearance, make sure to click Save and then Publish to make it live for visitors to see. And there you have it, a new page added to your Wix site effortlessly. Remember that you can always come back and tweak the design or content as needed. Happy editing, and thanks for watching.